Hello everybody! Today you will learn how to make your writing more persuasive. We will explore the use of personal pronouns to make your message more engaging, more interesting, and ultimately more persuasive. We will focus on using the personal pronouns you, we, our, and us. These 4 little words help build a connection with your audience, making them feel as if you are speaking directly to them. By doing this, you give them the feeling that they are on a shared journey or have a responsibility to act. Let us begin. When you're writing to persuade, using personal pronouns like you, we, our, and us is key. These magical words make your readers feel personally addressed and involved. By establishing this connection, you create a sense of unity and shared purpose. Let's have a listen to some famous speeches and see how these special words are used to engage and inspire audiences.
77 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the landing grounds. We shall fight in the fields and in the streets. We shall fight in the hills. We shall never surrender.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills.
Live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
We will be cheering and celebrating the progress you have made for girls. When you leave this room today, please ask yourselves, how many more generations are you willing to sacrifice? How long will you make girls wait for what you have promised?
Even though each of these speeches was delivered to large audiences, the use of the word you made each member of the audience feel as if they were being spoken to personally. It also made them feel that the information being shared was relevant to them. As a result, they listened more carefully, making the message more memorable and ultimately more persuasive. Here are some other examples of you being used to help persuade. Do you care about the planet? By reducing waste, you can help protect the environment for future generations. Imagine if you were in their shoes. Would you want to be treated that way? You have the power to stop bullying by standing up and speaking out. Do you want to be part of something exciting and fun? Join the rugby club today, and you will make new friends and fall in love with this wonderful sport. The speeches also used we, our, and us a lot, because these pronouns help build a sense of community. This made the audience feel connected, not just to the speaker, but also to everyone else listening. This gave them a feeling of unity, making the audience more likely to agree with the speaker's point of view. Let's look at some other examples of these 3 words being used as tools of persuasion. When we all pick up after ourselves and throw our trash in the bins, we make our school a cleaner and more pleasant place for us all. Together, we must take pride in our school. Let's all show our compassion by donating to Guide Dogs for the Blind. Our collective effort can provide much needed support to those in need. Let's start walking to school together. When we walk, we're not just getting exercise, we're also helping to reduce traffic and pollution in our community. Our daily walks will keep us active and refreshed, ready to start our day with a jolt of energy. So, whenever you're writing to persuade, remember to use the personal pronoun you to establish a direct connection with your audience. Additionally, use the pronouns we, our, and us to help foster a sense of unity and shared purpose. By employing these 4 magical words, you will actively engage your readers and align them with your message, ultimately making it more impactful, compelling, and persuasive. For other great persuasive writing tips, don't miss this tutorial. And if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. There are many more tutorial videos available that will help take your writing skills to the next level.